How's it going, fitness professionals? My name is Tyler Valence and I'm the president of KIPS. Today we're going to talk about lighting. One of the most important things if you're doing streaming workouts is having proper lighting. I can't tell you how many times I've seen workouts online, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, where the lighting is just poor, I'll say, and you can't really see the instructor teaching on the other end. It might be a great workout, but if someone on the other side can't see you, it's one of those things where they're just not going to be engaged. So today we're going to build something that is cheaper than what you will typically see in a package on Amazon for studio lights, and also it has more watts and lumens. Before we go any further, it's important to note that I'm not a cinematographer. I do not know the ins and outs of lighting like a professional cinematographer would know, but what I do know is from experience and with working with instructors to make sure that their streaming lighting is on point and anybody can see them with the camera that they're utilizing. So before we go any further, one of the common things that I see is somebody utilizing a lighting source that's meant for close-up lighting. So for example, I have an overhead light while I'm filming this. This is something meant for close-up video or photography. And so if I was to utilize this for a workout, it just wouldn't do. You wouldn't be able to utilize it thinking of how far you typically stand away from a camera when you're doing a streaming workout or just a recorded workout. You're 6 feet, 7, 8 feet away from the camera. So that light source wouldn't work. The one that I commonly see used is those ring lights. Not saying that all of them are bad, they do make bigger ones, but the common ring light is meant for close up. Just for a test right now, I'm going to show you the light source that we're going to test right now. It's off camera right now. I'm just going to turn it on. So just see right off the bat, me turning on this additional source, what it does to the room compared to the overhead light that I have on for close-up videos. So big difference there, just right in my office here. So I'm going to turn that off. And back you can see what an overhead light looks like. So let's go over the equipment that you're going to utilize to build this. The bulb used in this is the Bonlux 40 watt LED studio bulb. Next, you're going to need an eMart photography lamp holder. After that, the Amazon Basics aluminum light tripod stand. And then lastly is the photography umbrella, which is going to act as our diffuser. If you're interested in getting the exact setup that we utilize in this, check the description as we'll have product links in there. This is a test showcasing the Bonlux light bulb. I am roughly 6 feet away from the camera. The light source is about the same off to the side. So on top of that, I do have overhead fluorescent lights, approximately 4 of them above me, but this just is a great addition onto that. So this is another test without the fluorescent lights. The camera is 5 to 6 feet away from me, and the light source is about 5 to 6 feet away from me off to the side. So pretty powerful just on its own and its ability to light up a space without any additional sources. So if you were thinking about getting this, 1, 2, 3 of these would be a great way to light up a source and make sure that anybody that's viewing you can see you clearly, and it's just a great, cheaper option as well. So as you saw with the different setups that we had with the overhead fluorescent lights, but also with the light stand, big difference it makes compared to just a close-up light right off the bat there. So we hope you like this tutorial. If you're interested, please subscribe for more tutorials for fitness pros. Again, we will have the links in the description. If you need help with being able to see yourself while you're filming a workout or a streaming workout, watch this video. Or if you want to build the ultimate streaming package, watch this video.